Hi friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I'll show you how to replace the battery of a DS3231, that is RTC module, with the help of a capacitor. Because in most of the RTC module, that is DS3231, it consists of a rechargeable circuit. So in that module, if you install a normal battery, it will damage the battery and the RTC module will not work properly. So in this case you must replace with a rechargeable 2032 battery, or you may alternatively use a capacitor. So in this video also I will replace the battery, rechargeable battery, with a normal capacitor. So let's see how I can able to make it, and let's see how easy to work or not. Let's start the project. So friend, first of all you must take a capacitor. So I have taken, you can see, 3300 microfarad or 3.3 farad capacitor. Install a PCB like this way and connect the capacitor with two wires. So I will place this capacitor instead of battery and connect the positive terminal with the positive and the negative terminal with the negative of the RTC module battery terminal. You can see now I have power of the clock, and if I again power it on, it will work fine. So in this case the battery is replaced with capacitor, and capacitor is working as the battery of the RTC module. So thanks friend, please subscribe S&D Innovations.